Sisasephezulu kwayo indaba yengane zesithembu sisamhalalisela impilo enhle with her graduation sithi halala ntombi enhle. Yes, we see lana ukubana abantwana bangakhuliswa emndini oyi-one babe notata nomama ofanako, kodwa hayi, I guess these kids they just choose what they want to be. Kuya ngawe nawe ukuthi what do you want for yourself. We can see lana ukubana both uSneh and uMpilenhle, they are both being raised by not their biological mothers. Umpilo is being raised by uMakhumalo noTata Mseleko, and then uSneh also, she's being raised by uMacele noTata Mseleko. Because of uSneh not listening and being rude and stubborn and not wanting to go to school, simply because you are not academically smart, that does not stop you from getting some sort of education. You can get other courses. Surely there's something that you are good at. Focus on that. Simply because if you are not good at maths and science, you mustn't get education. No. Focus on what you see. Focus on what works for you. Focus, even if it's just on your skills, focus on that. Do courses, things that will also improve your life skill, your lifestyle in future. So we can see lana ukubana umpilo enhle, she's also like in the same boat with uSneh. She's also being raised by uMakhumalo, who is not her biological mother, but her also choosing ukubana this is what I want, this is what I'm going to do for my life. I am going to study because I am given an opportunity to study. So that's what she did. Siyambona ke umpilo enhle, she was graduating, and not so long ago uMakhumalo obempostile saying bana she's proud of her because she just started a new job at a car dealership. It's a model car dealership. Like, it's things that you see bana, if as a child you listen to your parents, the outcome will be always good. But if you going to stand one-on-one with your mother, whether it's your biological mother, whether it's your auntie, whether it's an adult, as long as they are advising you, this is what you must do so that your future will be much better. Like, you can see both of them, like Umpilo lives a better life than uSneh because Umpilo does listen to both her parents. Like, Umpilo does not stand one-on-one with either of the mothers, either it's uMacele, whether it's uMakhumalo, whether it's uMangwabi, because she does get along with all the mothers. She does get along with all the mothers, Nomayen and everyone. Even with uMangwabi, like she even gets along with the other younger siblings, Abo Mawande and all those things. So kuya ngawe njengawe, like as umuntu, as an individual, ukubana what is it that I want for my life? What is it that I want for my future? If you have those answers to yourself, by yourself, then you will know bana when your parents tell you bana you must study, you know bana it's for your own good. Angisho nangumpilo enhle ufundile uphathile. Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.